signal flow. Now let's say signal source, it can be same process, second it can be other process, third it can be another manager, it can be another process. It means in first one it can be same source, means we can say asynchronous example. We know, see, what if we do if we divide integer with 0, we will get floating point exception error. Who will receive that signal? That process only, right? So here in that example, source and destination is same, right? Source and destination is same. Okay, next see here, that is the P1 here in this diagram. Let's we talk about P2 in the sense, like one process is running in while one. Now if you want to generate, you want to send a signal from another process. How we have to send? We have to send kill, like which signal you want to send, that number. Like let's say now I want to send control C, that number is 2 followed by PID, right? So this under this example refers another process, right? Next, third one, it can be another manager. In the sense, for this example is like if you want to like in your code, like 5 bytes of memory is allocated. Okay, so now you unfortunately you are using 6th byte. What will happen? Segmentation fault will happen. Okay, so who will send that segmentation fault? Means memory manager. Okay, who will send that signal? Means memory manager. So what we can say? We can say signal source can be another manager also. In this example, memory manager is sending. Okay, so these are the sources. And now I see this diagram. Source can be anything. Okay, but from source to destination, it will not directly send. Like in first example, segmentation fault is there na. The source is that process only, destination is that process only, but it will not directly will send. In between signal manager is there, in between SM signal manager is there. First what will happen means, whenever signal is generated, first it will go to signal manager. Next, signal manager will decide to send to which process. Okay, this is the signal flow.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.